In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo on your Joomla site using the admin panel. This is an essential skill for any Joomla website owner because your logo is a key part of your brand identity. I'll guide you through the process step by step, explaining each part so that it's easy and clear to understand. To start, you'll need to log into your Joomla administration panel. This is where you'll be able to manage all the settings of your website. Once you're in, direct your attention to the main navigation, where you'll want to find and click on System. From there, select Site Template Styles. This is where you manage different templates and customize your site's appearance. Now you'll be presented with a list of templates. Identify the one that is currently activated on your site. This is crucial because you're going to change the logo for the active template, which impacts what visitors actually see. Once you've selected the right template, navigate to the Advanced tab. This is your gateway to more specific template settings. Within the Advanced settings, you should locate a section labeled Logo. This is usually straightforward since logos are a critical aspect of website design and are typically given their own dedicated space for adjustments. Next, you'll notice a Select button next to the logo field. Click on this button and it will lead you to the Media Manager. Here you have a few options to upload or select your new logo. You can pick an existing image from your Joomla gallery if you've previously uploaded one. Alternatively, if your logo is fresh off the design press and sitting on your local computer, there's a convenient option to upload it directly. Another option, if you happen to host your image externally, is to insert its source URL into the field provided. Once you've figured out which image to use, click on the Insert button. Doing this will ensure that your selection is correctly uploaded to your template settings. If you'd like, you can add a title for the logo in the provided field. This is optional but can help with accessibility and organization. With everything in place, remember to click the Save button. It's always a good idea to save your changes to prevent losing any alterations, especially after putting in the effort to customize your brand identity. Finally, it's time to check the front end of your website. Just navigate to your main site's URL in a new tab or window. This is where you'll see your shiny new logo displayed, giving your site a fresh look and reinforcing your brand to every visitor who lands on your page. And there you have it, a simple way to change your Joomla logo that ensures your brand is perfectly represented. Keep experimenting with different looks to see what best suits your brand's personality. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Joomla tips and tutorials.